Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make tech simple and fun. Today, we're tackling how to add a flight to Google Calendar in 2025. With travel picking up speed, keeping your flights organized is a game changer for avoiding missed connections or last-minute scrambles. Google Calendar has some neat updates this year, making it easier than ever to integrate your trips. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Google account and have the Google Calendar app or website open. This works on both desktop and mobile, so you can do this on the go. Start by clicking the plus button to create a new event. That's your gateway to adding all the juicy details. Now, for the fun part, entering your flight info. In the event title, type something like Flight to Paris to keep it clear. Next, set the date and time based on your flight schedule. Don't forget to account for time zones, as Google Calendar now has smarter suggestions for that in 2025. Add a description with your flight number, airline, and any gate info for extra organization. Pro tip: use the Add Guests feature if you're traveling with friends or family, so everyone stays in the loop. If you're using Google Flights or connected services, you can import details directly. Just look for the Import from Google option in the event settings. It's a 2025 update that saves tons of time. Once everything's set, hit Save, and voila, your flight is right there in your calendar. A quick heads up: double-check for any app updates, as Google might tweak features. This method keeps your itinerary clutter-free and helps you stay on top of your adventures. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for more tech tips. Safe travels, and see you in the next one.